So guys, after namin lumabas ng hotel, nandito na kami ngayon sa Baguio. SM Baguio rather. And hi Pat, hi ka.
Hi.
Naabutan namin yung fog before kami bumaba ng Manila. So ayan. Nice.
Yeah, oh my god.
Pat, hi.
Bakit di?
Yeah, this is Baguio guys. Hindi yung mainit na climate yesterday. Nandito kami ngayon ni Patricia sa Fried Chicken Taiwan and nag-order kami ng aming last meal for Baguio. Last meal.
Kinabahan ako dun.
Ibibitay na ba? Charot. So ito yung binili ni Pat, the noodles with chicken, the milk tea, the bestseller one, the brown sugar milk tea. Sa akin yung original na chipay. So, let's eat. Kain tayo, kain. Kain tayo. Lamig-lamig dito sa Baguio. Super. Super lamig. Go pack.
Nagdidikit-dikit siya eh.
Tapos may duman, no? Natakbo yung DJI ko.
Pasok sila sa adventure. Sarap. Quality yun siya.
Ang sarap na yung milk tea nila. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Na-expect ko pag may brown sugar, matamis.
Oo nga.
Sarap. Tapos ganito pa yung weather. Shops. Taiwan na Taiwan feels.
Kesa nakakulog tayo.
Oo.
Eh, lumipat din pala sa
Lumipat sila?
Yun sa may Starbucks.
Dito sila nag-lunch.
Panalo. Sarap. Oh, but ito lang.
Ang mga anak ni Henry C. dito nag-lunch. Kami po ni Patricia ay pa-Taiwan sausage na lang tsaka cheap.
Nag-sausage kayo?
Hindi kami nag-order pero meron doon.
Pero meron sila? Oo. Kami.
Ayan. Tsaka ang sarap sa taas.
Kasi tapos kayo.
Nararamdaman namin yung ano, pag umahangin yung ano.
Na-picture namin yung SM Baguio na may
Ayan. Busog na busog no. Ayan. Ito rin no. Nangungulangot pa oh. Tapos na kami mag late lunch sa SM Baguio and now naglalakad na kami para magabang ng taxi going back to the hotel. Then, pag nakarating na tayo sa hotel, mag-chill lang tayo ng ilang oras and then diretso na tayo sa Victory Liner going back to Manila. Are you happy, be?
Yeah.
Why?
Siyempre, Baguio is Baguio.
And again, lucky kami kasi na-experience namin yung fog bago kami bumaba ng Manila. Doon, be? Doon, no? Wala, meron ba dito? Parang doon, tapos doon. Let's go. Hi, bebe. NBI. Oh, sayaw. De, dun.
Oh, alam niya na.
There she
Kaya wala akong
goes.
internet eh.
There she goes again.
Magnet.
Ang magnet natin yan. Tollway parking. Dame? Ito na, Marta.
Kumanta ka.
Nahiya po si Marjorie.
Walang sound.
Sa Baguio mo lang po magagawa yan. Charot.
Kasi di na nagdala. Hindi. Hindi muna. Dapat dapat. Kasi yung ano. Hindi yan ako kulay.
Car tire. Pauwi na po kami. Marta. Go. Go.
Ako lang.
Kaya yan.
Ayan, taxi.
Of real.
May laman. Ayan, isa pa. Abang-abang lang kayo. Basta abang-abang lang. Ayaw niya magpasahay.
Loading dito.
Doon daw. May tinuro siya eh. Doon daw eh. Bebe, kumanon yung driver. Doon daw.
Kasi mabibilis yung ano na yun.
Tapos tapat pa ng NBI. Di nahuli.
Alam mo, sorry.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place that is hard. It should be
Good taste.
Hanggang tingin lang, Beng. Hanggang ganito lang ako lagi.
Oo nga. Hindi ka pa nakababa.
At least nakita mo. Murad fruit lang tayo na dito.
Sarap kaya tumambay dyan. Tapos may nag-aalok masahe po o ano na.
Anong klaseng masahe? Sa paa?
Oo, sa back. And nag-offer ng may ano.
Galing nga nun, ganun yun.
So, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel and we stayed here at the Coated Cafe. Umorder lang kami ng minty drink, lemon, and matcha cake and ano yung in-order mo? Banapify. Now, nag-bill out na kami. Natin lang namin yung change and then kukunin namin yung luggage na iniwan, iPad. Tapos, didiretso na kami sa Victory Liner. And then, doon na kami mag-aantay ng boarding namin. Ang alis namin is 8:30 PM going back to Manila. So, approximately mga 1 AM siguro. Nasa Manila na kami doon. Diba? So, nakuha na namin yung gamit namin. And then, natin na lang namin si Marjorie. And then, pupunta na kami ng Victory Liner Terminal here sa Baguio. And then, magpapalit tayo ng ticket. And then, mag-board tayo before our trip. And our trip time is at 8:30 PM Manila. Approximately 1 AM nasa Manila na tayo the next day. And, masaya naman sila so far.
Hindi lang halata.
Hindi lang halata, pero mga pagoda yung mga yan.
Oh, my God.
Pambayad na natin sa taxi yan, Ben. Sa car na kami going to the terminal. Yee! Uwi na kami ni Pat back to reality. Ganda nun ah. Na-capture. Lamig. Bye-bye, Papio. I'll see you soon. Again. Ang ganda na. Dati hindi ito ganito ganda eh. We finally arrived here at Victory Liner Baguio. So, i-claim na namin ni Angela yung ticket natin going back to Manila. Let's go, Angela! Be, yung bag ko.
Sige ko lang.
Be, may ID. Yung bago mong ID. Online redemption. Dito yung online redemption. Dito. They say all's well.
Online, ma'am?
Number na ako.
Asa 25
Na yung ID ko, bebe. Kasi yung
Ito nasakyan natin.
Yes, same bus. Sila rin. Yung nasa class ba? This is our bus. Deluxe one. Ah. So we're boarded na dito sa bus. And pauwi na rin kami ng Manila. Iwalay mo na yung pocket. Yan.
Again?
Yes, again.
Si Kuya din yun eh.
Nga. Tapos sila ulit yung katabi mo yung
Mga away na talaga.
Nobody told me that you felt out of love. I just had a friend. Someone that close and strong. Because I just
Pero yun nakahiga, oh. Hindi nakabalik na maayos. Ang adjust mo nga, Ange. Tayo ka.
Teka na, may
Breaking up my comfort zone. Our bodies are electric domes. We'll fall in love and lose control. I know, I know, I know. I could be your fast car, I could be your lady, I could be your paycheck, I could be your baby, I could be the home stretch, I could be a maybe, I could be the one. Oh, I never met another. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Oh, I never met another one like you. It's alright, it's alright, it's all. Never gonna meet another. It's alright, it's alright, it's all. Not another one like you. Making waves, making moves, making messes, digging graves, breaking rules, second guessing. I could be your fast car, I could be your lady, I could be your paycheck, I could be your baby, I could be the home stretch, I could be a maybe, I could be the one. Oh, I never met another. It's alright, it's alright, it's all. Oh, I never met another one like you. It's alright, it's alright, it's all. Never gonna meet another. It's alright, it's alright, it's all. Not another one like you. Making waves again, making waves again, making messes, making waves, making moves, making messes, making waves again, making messes, making waves, making moves, making moves, making waves again, making messes, making waves, making moves, making messes, making waves again, making messes, making waves, making moves, making moves.
So guys, we are out and about. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. Nakababa na kami dito sa Victory Terminal, Cubao. And uwi na kami. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa vlog na ito. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. See you again in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.